These two pieces of timber are twisted, both of them together, they're twisted that way. So what I've done is attached a piece of scrap that's cut at 90 degrees, and what I'm going to do is hit this piece of wood in here and straighten them up, and when they're straightened I'll put some lot of nails in there to keep them straight. So you can imagine, I'm not sure how much this is going to see now, but hopefully you'll see that twist, that wood twist back into shape. There's a bit of luck. There we go, that's pretty much twisted back into shape. Hopefully, I'm not sure what you've got on that on the camera. So what I'll do now is nail that one in fully, and then nail that, clamp them together and nail that side and see what happens. So that's a better view now. You can see that one straightened up, and this one you can see as they're clamped together there's a gap appeared here where it's been straightened and clamped together. So all I'm going to now is put some nails in here and see if it works. And remove that piece. What else then? I think it's worked as good as it's going to get. They're clamped together, well not clamped together, nailed together now, and I've put a whole bunch of nails in the bottom there to keep them straight. So another way to straighten bent timber, if you come across it. Well, it's not actually bent, it was twisted, kind of corkscrew style, so that's another way of dealing with it. Before I continue on with that wall there, I just thought I'd show you, I've got to put some nails in the bottom there to secure that wall. I haven't done it yet, but before I do that I'm going to make sure it's in line. So obviously this wall's going to continue on right down there where that line is going. So I've got a piece of string or a line running all the way down to the end there. That's the same measurement from the edge to there and from the edge to there, so we get a nice straight line. You can see it hits the, as you can see, it hits the timber there, under this boards and the timber there, so we can see we're in the right spot. Well, that's fine and dandy, but you really want to check your diagonals. Keep going on about diagonals, don't I? But so the way to check this wall is in the correct spot is, so I measure from the edge of that wall there down to the end of this piece of wall.